About to launch the boat. Just dunked in here real quick, and we're gonna go run some spots. Water temp is 52 in the shallows here. It's come down a few degrees. It's gonna come up today for sure with the sun and the warm, or the sun and the heat, I should say. So we're gonna go run some shallow spots, run some deep spots, some stuff out here on Erie, see if we can get on a couple big ones. Gonna see if we can put a little pattern together. And we got a little bait competition here. So Antonio's gonna throw a regular chatterbait. I'm gonna throw a jackhammer, same bait, same color, same trailer, same presentation. And we're gonna see here if the hype is real. We're gonna see if you should believe the hype. Been wanting to do this for a little while. Finally decided to do it today. The water temp's gonna work out all right, and I think we're gonna see what happens here. So Antonio's coming back. We're gonna go ahead and get out in the lake, and we're gonna see what happens. Very first fish on the jackhammer, and he clobbered this thing. Nice fat little fish. Ran it right through these reeds over here and got slammed. Good fish, good bite.
Oh yeah,
dude got clobbered.
Yeah.
That was probably one of the best chatterbait bites I've ever had.
Only gonna get better.
Yeah, dude, this is about to get sick. Yeah, it was right in these little reeds on this side. This current's pushing right up against here. All right, so now the true test begins. Antonio's throwing a regular original chatterbait. I'm throwing a jackhammer. We're gonna see if the hype is real.
Give me a black and blue.
You want a black and blue?
Oh yeah.
I'll give you a black and blue.
Here we go.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna switch. So Antonio has the exact same bait. Exact same bait, 3/8 ounce, black blade, original chatterbait. All right. This is what we're throwing. Black and blue, 3/8 ounce. I'm throwing a Kraken craw with some chartreuse on the tips, a little bluegill imitator. No. Just come back through here and flip it.
I don't think that'd be a bad idea.
This stuff gets so juicy though, bro. Like, oh God, I can't wait. My man. Oh, good one. It's a hammer. Hammer. Bro, I told you this area is juicy.
Oh, it is eating up, dude.
I told you. I told you. Hey, should we weigh our best 5?
Kinda.
That or yeah, let's weigh them. I was gonna say.
Going anywhere. Look at that lip here.
I know. Here, let's weigh our best 5. All right.
Dude, that is a honky.
I'm telling you.
He's right off the point.
Yep. Yep. All right, guys, grabbed another on the chatterbait. You get bit? Look at the belly on this thing. Ready? Look at.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
What's crazy? Not even 3 pounds.
Short, but he's
299.
hefty.
Did you save it under 1? Which one did you save yours under?
First one.
I have another one. We're out here in this flat. I don't know if you guys can see this. We're on this big flat here. It's shallow. It's like 2 foot of water. It's 56 degrees. And reeling through pad stems and these cattail stems. Just letting the wind take us through here. Just creeping real slow. Yeah, I didn't have power poles on my last boat. Power poles are fucking awesome. I really like them, especially for fishing stuff like this. So I've been telling Antonio about this area for a while.
Like, when we say a while, like we came back here like 3 months.
Got one. Power pulled down. Don't take me in the pads. Don't take me in the pads. Oh my God. Dude. 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 Oh no.
Fucking hook my hand.
I was gonna just boat flip him.
That's my fault.
You all right?
Yeah.
Get you good?
Yeah.
You all right? Oh, it was a good fish, dude. It's all right.
No, it's not. I just said I'm good at netting fish.
I was gonna just boat flip him. No, you're fine. Hey, that was probably a 5-pounder though. That was a good fish. There's plenty more of those back here, dude. We just gotta find them. Hey, I got hooked in the grass. I pulled it out of the grass. As soon as I pulled it out, it got wrecked. It's a big fish, but it ain't gonna cull. All right, so ran out of GoPro batteries, but caught, what, a 4-pounder. We're on our way to a 20-pound bag right now. We got to call out 1 fish, maybe 2, and we can be at a 20-pound bag. I just caught a 3-pounder. It didn't make the cut, so yeah, we're kind of on them right now. We are on them right now. Working our way back here. It's 3:11. haven't even hit that pocket yet. I'm gonna hit this little pocket up here on the left. Thought that was a fish. Thought that was a fish. So let's go right there. Yep. See if we can get one out of that pocket real quick. Got one. Got one. Called the shot there. Oh, this feels big, dude. Be a hammer. Be a hammer.
It is hammer. That's big boy is dead.
Watch out. Watch out. Keep me out of these. Keep me out of these weeds. Oh my God, dude. Oh! Come here. Come here. Stay on.
Look at this. Look at this.
Stay on.
Would you just look at it? That's big. You gotta put it on the outside of the net.
I can't boat flip him with fluoro. Yeah, I think we're about to cull.
I think so.
I think number 5 is going, bro. I'm about to tell you right now. Yep. 385. Number 5, you are going bye-bye.
See ya.
We're at just under 19 pounds. You're 4. There you go, dude. All right, come here. Come here. Come here. We got a couple 3-pounders to cull out.
You think we could move up like a foot?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to retie. Where are you at there? Pulling down. You're on that stem. All right, we're power pulled. All right. See if I can go back to that same pocket. I mean, if you want to go back to throwing the regular chatterbait, you can.
I mean, I will. It's not right now.
I'm gonna pull down here in a second. Fish these pockets out real quick. We are in less than 2 feet of water. It's 58 degrees. You would not expect fish to be this shallow. Hammered, bro. That's a little guy too. Come here, boy. Freaking doinked it too. God, look how fat these fish are, bro. Pretty much, dude. It's gotten dumb. Today's just one of those days, man. I literally, like, right, that pocket right there, see the two?
Yep.
I went right through the alleyway. So, dude, he doinked it. They're just sitting in these spots waiting for stuff to come by. Dude, this feels good. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Dude. Don't come. Oh, all right, I'm gonna come grab you. Gotcha. Dude, that was just fucking dumb. It was like 2 cranks in. Oh! Where are my pliers at? You got pliers over there? Right here. Trying to not hurt you too bad. I'm sorry, girl, but you ate this thing to the point I don't even know how the fuck I'm gonna get you out. There we go. All right. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the? Yeah, she's I think it's a little bit bigger, bro. This one feels heavier. For sure feels a little bit heavier. $3.8. $3.8. All right, $3.8. You can pop in here. I probably should put a culling plug on her. What a day! What a day! So this man and I, we tried to go head to head with chatter versus chatter. We figured out they are not equal.
Yeah, no, I got my butt one.
We're gonna, I mean, obviously we're gonna have to do this a little bit further down the road on a different body of water, maybe a different time, and see if the pattern still holds true. But man, jackhammer versus regular chatter wasn't even close.
No.
It's, yeah,
It started off nice. I was up 2-1.
Yeah.
And then we got back here and nope.
Yeah. It's what did we finish? We finished best 5, went for 19.2, I think, something like that.
19.2.
So just under 20 pounds, 5 fish. Pretty solid day. We lost 1 fish that I think would have put us over the 20 mark, but it is what it is, man. I'm not upset about it. We had a great day out here in the water. Targeting wind-blown reeds and pad stems. The reeds haven't grown back in here, neither have the pads, but you can still see the stems from where they used to be, and you can see the old reeds over here on the side. Targeting those stems and little pockets of them. So today was an awesome day. We're gonna head back. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Anything else?
The day finally fell through.
Yeah, so we've been coming back here a couple times and it hasn't panned out, and I think the fish just weren't quite ready to stage up here. They were ready today. We got back here and put it on them. Had a great freaking day out here on Erie. Erie's not really known for a largemouth lake, but man, it should be, because it's starting to become pretty damn awesome. So we're gonna see you guys next time. I hope you guys have a great time. We're gonna be out fishing in Derby this coming weekend. So it should be good. We're gonna see what happens. We got some warm weather coming through, some rain, so it should push some of these fish up shallow again. Probably get another wave here, but I had a great time. I hope you guys had a great time. Tight lines.